Gang, 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 gang. What's good, YouTube gang? Hey, you already know what I'm going on, man. Yes, man. You know where I'm going. And see if anything we are dealing with that today. This is an most anticipated song. This is an anticipated release we about to go over right here. A lot of people been waiting on this. Yeah, as I mean, it's been announced that they will be releasing today, and then them kind of just dropped it like 30 minutes ago. So with that, I'm gonna deal with that intro today. You know, you see me? I see where I deal with today, man. This is a crazy shit, soon to be legendary link up. You see me? I say a crazy reunion, a legendary reunion. We haven't seen them together on a track since they did the first track they did together, which is Ludi. They actually boss the featured artist on this, which is Shenseea. You see me? So today we're there with none of that. Vybz Kartel and Shenseea, the one in the Panic. This is highly anticipated release. We want to check it out and see them what deal with. You see me? I see if they them create history again and see if they create another hit, another banger. You see me? I say gang. So we're not going to go up, you know, let me say, forget the intro right now. We're going to jump right now track. Yeah, Vybz Kartel, Shenseea, Panic. Let's get it.
Inside when I saw you at the party and I had to say hi.
Skin bright, and me are your type. I want sun and shine, yeah, the hottest thing we're outside.
Yeah.
You are the cutest, I feel the boss. Yeah. Love you from the start, no I broke your heart. Really? Wine bubble bath, cause you're pretty and you're smart. Yeah. Anyway you roll up, this a vibe start when you
Hold too much legendary things are going now, bro. Vybz Kartel and Shenseea, and they got Rebel in the video. Bro, we have to take it from the top and see exactly how I'm going. You see me, I say, this link up here is too legendary. We can't just run through it like that. Come on, let's run it back. Let's get it.
got you outside and inside. When I saw you at the party and I had to say hi.
Girl, you're outside, not inside. I saw you at the party and I had to say hi. Hi, mom. Hi, moms. Hi, moms. You see me, mom? You see your mom? You have to say something to your moms. You see me? I say yes, man.
Skin bright, and me are your type.
Yeah.
I want sun and shine, yeah, the hottest thing we're outside.
Skin bright and I am type. Mama, yes, skin bright. I'm a type, yes. But we are trying to say we love dark skin. Them, you know, dark skin ladies, we love you all too. Don't get it twisted.
You are the cutest. I feel the boss.
Yeah.
Love you from the start.
Yeah.
No, I broke your heart.
Yeah.
Wine bubble bath, cause you're pretty and you're smart. Anyway, you roll up, this a vibe start.
Wine bubble bath. You're pretty and you're smart.
When you
Open it like a Red Sea, I get parked. Stop it and take it anywhere the car park. You are the general, you know.
What? Yo, she said, stop it and take it anywhere the car park. You. That's my type right there. Anyway, mama, any blood clot where we not care. Come true.
If I fast start, bravo, see what push them, your man a push a hand cat.
Bravos.
with it, bounce with the gal, move with it, move with the gal, wine on it, wine on it, gal.
Bravo, say I push on a hand card. Go on, true.
Take time
Yes.
on the gal.
You make me say,
Yeah.
me
Yeah.
say,
Yeah.
Well, you walk your thing with tighter than a syringe, and when me
Buckler tighter than a syringe, mama. So. I Mom, me like, I look on me still, mama, I'm crazy one here, but me like, you cock up still, girl, I walk on. I say, mama, mom's go on,
say you hot, me no mean hot wings. Sit down in a me lap, but I no Santa a Grinch. And bubble when they done let you receive it.
So, me not talk hot wings, mama. We not talk for hot wings.
Sit down in a me lap, but I no Santa a Grinch. And bubble when they done let you receive every inch.
Sit down on me lap, mama, no Santa, agree with this, mama. Cause ain't nothing nice over here. You see me and say, sit down on the lap, Santa, this a green shoot. I don't like click, watch you.
member say, good body get things. You a fear watch it out, you a fear binge. Head tap when me spin like rings. You full of gas.
Yeah, she said, good body, I forget things. If man, I watch it up. Me now watch it, you know, mama, me now watch your blood cleat. I say, me have to get to the point where me feel like me have to watch it, I have to go. You have to go, cause me now watch it, booms, you know that. You see me, I say, me not say, you know, come give me a headache, a confusion, that girl. Go ahead, show.
Head tap when me spin like rings. You full of girl, but me a the lord of the rings.
Bounce with it, bounce with the gal.
Full of girl, but she had the Lord of the Rings. Yeah, go on, show, boy, me hear it. Me hear what?
When me spin like rings.
Yeah.
You full of girl, but me a the lord of the rings.
Bounce with it, bounce with the gal. Move with it, move with the gal. Wine on it, gal. Tick tock, take time on it, gal.
Okay. yeah. Yes, yeah.
You make me say,
Yeah, man, guacho. Like your video, everything, the color, the style, everything, the vibes, the energy. Yeah, man. Similar to Ludi. You see me, I say?
me say,
Another verse, dog. Come on, we need another verse. No, we need another verse. You can't listen to it in like this. That's it. Nah, man. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. We need another verse on that, bro. No. The song bad, but no, bro. We needed more. We needed more. No, Carter. No. Me not like that. I don't like that at all. We needed more. We need another verse, young. Nah. Okay, I feel that in with lyrics. We needed more lyrics, bro. How the bumbo jungle, man. I like your song, you know, but we needed more, bro. We needed more, dog. That was too short, bro. That was too short, in my opinion, anyways. You see me, I say, let me know what you guys think. You see me, I think you need more, man. We need more then. We need another lyrics, another wow factor, another verse. You see me, I say, yeah, man. We need another one, man. Jeez, peace, I don't know feel about the one, guys. I don't think about that one. But I think we needed more. This was a good song, good link up. It was too short for what it is, though. You see me, Cartel comes to sing Jesus and Cartel sing Jesus and then that was it. And could I do without the bubble? Could I do without that part? But I guess the type of song is like, I give a few little I guess this is definitely for the ladies. This is definitely for the ladies, cause it's like we give some lyrics and way, and for the rest of the song, we want to just whine out and bubble out to the song. You see me, I say, that's really what it was. That's exactly what it was. You see me, I say, it's a girl tune. You see me, a dancing tune, vibing tune. You see me, I say. So first we get two little lyrics, way, link up the chorus, but for the other part, from bubble, wine, then do tick, or whatever. You see me, I say, from that part, it's just, I guess they want you to whine out the song, whine out for the rest of the song for the last 30 seconds, 40 seconds. You see me, I say. Or am I wrong? 20 seconds? 30? Yeah, the last 30 seconds. The last 30 seconds of the song. And just want the girl them for just whine and broke out and go on bad. Alright, that's cool. You never know, they probably do a remix if it depends on how good it is and add another verse. You see me, I say. But it was a good song. Legendary link up, highly anticipated. The ladies definitely gonna love this one. You see me, I say, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. You see me, let's chop it up, let's talk about it. Vybz Kartel and Shenseea. Is everything that you expected? Did you want more? You see me, I said, did it fall short? Let me know. Let's talk about it. You don't know what time it is. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.